3, 2, 1.
Warm and cheeky, Ripper and Bonsview Mob Legends, Uncle JoeJo. Great to see you all again. Today what we're going to talk about is LVLs and making sure they're compliant. An LVL is laminated veneered lumber, and what laminated veneered lumber is small sections of timber that are all pressed together. So there's a huge log put onto a spinny wheel and it spins, and then they plane the timber off so it comes off in ply sheets, and then what they do is they lay them all out, press them together with cold glue, and then that works like a treat to form up into lengths and sizes that we can use on site. Big problem. I just went to a number of buildings for compliance of LVLs. Because timber in Australia is becoming very, very hard to get, we've stopped the sustainable forestry timber industry. We've put a halt in quite a lot of states for our sustainable forestry systems, and we're getting a lot of timber from overseas that's compliant with Australian standards. Big problem in Australia is it gets very, very hot, and because of that, when our LVLs are not made correctly, their adhesive actually separates and the laminations actually start to open up. That then makes the timber extremely weak and brittle, and it starts to collapse. So make sure you know where you are getting your LVLs from, and builders, make sure more than anything that you don't pay the price twice. Don't go for the cheapest price, you'll always pay twice. Thanks for watching. Any questions and queries about LVLs or anything else when it's related to building and carpentry, flick it over to Uncle JoeJo and he will answer it for you best he can, whenever he can. Like always, stay unreal, banana peels old. See you in the soup.